Domestic violence, personal protection order, the police. I'm picking up on arguments here. Domestic disputes. Picking up on a sex demon, sex addict here, someone who has no control impulses, Divine Collective. Someone here may be getting the police called on them, or someone is calling the police on someone. I'm getting heated arguments here. There's a sex demon. What's this about, Spirit? Piecing together the truth. The full moon. The full moon is here. Spirit wants you to build an inner sanctuary where your soul's seeds can grow protected, Divine Collective. Going out on a date. Working together collectively. The illusions have been shattered. We've pieced together the truth, Divine Collective. The illusions have been shattered. We are very much in our power, Spirit says. I heard allow God to handle that. Allow God to handle them, Divine Collective. There's a Gemini here. A Gemini is of significance. Corrupt officials in this reading. Someone asking for a pardon. Official forgiveness. Someone here wants a pardon. Corrupt officials, Divine Collective. They watch from a distance as our life begins to expand, Spirit says. Do not overthink this. Whatever this is that is headed our way, these opportunities, these blessings, Divine Collective, something about not overthinking this, okay? Because they don't want you to succeed. Corrupt officials that are now asking for a pardon, official forgiveness. They don't want to see us succeed, Divine Collective. Our intuition is sharp. Our energy speaks volumes. They did a poverty spell over us, Spirit says. The illusion has been shattered, okay? A federal agent is here, did a poverty spell. The reflector I'm getting, the reflector is here. Someone has awakened. Someone is reflecting, Divine Collective. Someone is saying, I'm not doing this to them anymore. They're pulling their energy back here. Someone is reflecting. A federal agent is of significance in this reading. Realignment. All relationships built on avoidance, imbalance, that are feeling increasingly uncomfortable. This is Spirit realigning you, Divine Collective. Relationships built on avoidance and imbalance are starting to feel uncomfortable. That is what Spirit is saying, okay? The one that they tried to play, you are the one that they tried to play, Divine Collective, but they forgot that you come spiritually pre-installed with truth and detection. There's a relationship in your life. There's a need for this relationship to be dissected in order for you to understand it better, Divine Collective. And that makes perfect sense because I reached out to one of my most trusted readers yesterday. She was doing just a quick sale, 1444 for 2 questions, and I figured, what the heck. I usually stay on the focus of, you know, am I doing good on my path? Is there anything that I need to switch up? You know, because intuitively I know what it is. I really don't need to reach out to readers, but I do like to pour in to other readers by giving them, you know, monetization, or by giving them money, Divine Collective, when I have extra. I like to do that, okay? But when I had asked that question, Divine Collective, there was one question. I had 2 questions. The second question was about a specific person, you know, that I'm aware of, that's in my energy. You know, it feels kind of off at the moment, but she intuitively, I feel like this relationship needs to be dissected, right? Like, I feel like this person just needs a little bit more patience. You know, every story is different, Divine Collective. I wouldn't normally speak about holding on to someone's energy or being patient, but everybody's story is different, and sometimes there's people in our lives that Spirit has you be a little bit more patient with, right? So I just wanted to make sure with this specific situation that I wasn't holding on to dead weight, right? So she had confirmed that my intuition was on point when she basically said patience, you know, something about taking a deeper look, right? The overall reading was amazing. It was great, right on point, Divine Collective, letting me know that I am on my path, right? Every day I wake up and I really put my best foot forward. I really, at the end of the day, I feel accomplished, Divine Collective. You have to be consistent. Consistency is everything. Coming from someone who never really took consistency seriously, when I started being consistent, Divine Collective, that's when everything started to switch over. I started to see results, okay? A coven of witches. I keep picking up on a coven of witches here who are losing sense of who they are. They've been in your energy for so long, Divine Collective, that they're losing sense of who they are, this coven of witches. There is someone here that is in your energy or headed towards you. 6:59 on the clock. My ears are ringing, Divine Collective. There's someone here. Together, you and this person have the potential to build something incredibly successful, okay? The Emperor, that came out together, Divine Collective. So for a lot of you, you have an Emperor headed your way. You have an Empress here, okay? However, I do not think that the Emperor or the Empress is going to chase after the Emperor. I just feel the need to say that. I feel like in this situation, the Emperor is going to have to make the first move, okay? I just feel the need to say that, Divine Collective. A divine union is coming in. Confirmation. 3 cards in a row, letting me know that you have a divine union coming in, okay? Someone that you're going to enjoy being around. They're going to make things so much more fun, interesting for you, Divine Collective. You're just going to enjoy being in this person's presence, okay? Very positive energy, like a breath of fresh air. Spirit says 8:07 on the clock. You have more gifts here. You may be receiving more gifts that align with your soul's growth here, Divine Collective. Someone's still energetically holding on to the past in this reading. I do not feel at all like that is you, okay? I feel like these are people in your energy projecting onto you, trying to get you to feel what it is they're feeling. Divine Collective, them holding on to the past, projecting onto you, because every card I've got here has letting me know that you have healed and you have moved forward, Divine Collective, and that you are in alignment, okay? So these are absolutely projections of people from your past, okay? I heard the Creator, the Alpha and the Omega. All right, when it comes to reconciliation, Divine Collective, Spirit is leaving you with this. Ask yourself, does reconnecting require me to abandon myself? Am I returning out of love or guilt? Have their actions changed or only their emotions? So in regards to reconciliation and reconnecting with people of your past, remember to ask yourself those questions, okay? Does reconnecting require me to abandon myself? That is my favorite one, Divine Collective. All right. Insincerity of friends who spread ugly rumors here. Some tried to play the game but forgot that you are the cheat code, Divine Collective.